How to create a membership portal in Groovemember. What's up everyone, Amy here. You know how Teachable allows you to create a school, which is like a page where your students can see all your available courses but only access the courses they have purchased. Well, in this quick training, I'm going to show you how to replicate this on Groovemember using their portals feature. If you don't have a free Groovemember account yet, then sign up through my link below and you'll receive some bonus training from me as well. So, are you ready? Let's go. Now, because you can create as many portals as you like, let's go through a scenario. Say you're a career coach and you have 6 courses: mastering your resume, mastering your interview, stand out and get hired, LinkedIn profile optimization, LinkedIn personal branding, and a LinkedIn video marketing course. You can choose to create one portal with courses relating to getting the job, one portal with courses relating to LinkedIn, or one portal to house all 6 courses. The best part is that your students can access all these courses with one login using the same email and password. Now guys, in my previous Groovemember tutorial where I show you how to create a membership site for an online course, in step 7 of that video, you no longer have access to the registration link. This is now managed via portals. When you log into Groove, you can click on Manage Memberships or click on Apps, and the Portals feature is located in Content, Portals. Click on Create Portal, give your portal a name, and for the subdomain, there is no custom domain integration yet on Groovemember. So let's call this Interview Courses and click on Create Portal. In step 1, basic information, enter in the description that makes sense to you. Click Save and Next. In step 2, memberships, under the Select Membership tab, this is where you can select courses or membership for this particular portal. Since this portal is for courses relating to getting the job, we're going to select Mastering Your Resume, Mastering Your Interview, and Stand Out and Get Hired. Once you select the courses you want added into the portal, you notice a pink border outline and the button text will change from select to unselect. If you change your mind, click on that button again and it will revert back to select and the pink border outline will no longer show. Under Display Membership tab, click on that. This is where you can manage how your courses can be displayed. The first option, Display All Memberships. This is the option you're most likely going to use. In a nutshell, when a user is not logged in, all the membership or courses you have will be displayed in the portal. Under each one of your courses, there will be a Learn More button. So if someone clicks on this Learn More button, they will be redirected to the sales page. And when a user is logged into your portal, all the courses that have been purchased will have a green border outline. The ones that they haven't purchased will have a red border outline. You also have Display Only Accessible Membership and Force Login. You can read these on your own and decide if it's right for you. Let's click Save and Next. In step 3, Sort, this allows you to rearrange the order of your courses in terms of its value ladder or your ascension process. So you can click, hold it, and then drag it in the order that you like. I'm just going to drag this back because it's Mastering Your Resume first. Once you're done, click on Save and Next. Under step 4, Customization, under top navigation bar, let's click on Choose Image. Upload your logo. So I'm just going to choose this and press Select. You can change your login button color by going here, clicking on the circle icon, enter in the hex code color that you like, click on the check button, close out of it. For login text color, you can change that color to anything you want by following the same process and clicking on that, clicking on the check button and then closing it. And you can also change the navigation background here as well by going here and selecting, let's say we select black, and it will look like this. However, I like it simple and clean, so I'm going to revert back to white. Under Portal tab, you can have an image on top of your portal and it occupies this space here. If you want that in place, click on Yes, Display My Cover Image. Head over here, click on Image Selected. The image size is 1920 by 350 pixels. And if I click on Add Image, I've already uploaded an image, so I'm going to click on that. Click select. You can also add multiple images here to turn it into a slider, but I find it more distracting. So I'm just going to leave it as is and close. In marquee text, it's basically the title of the portal. Click on this and change it to, let's say, blue, and it'll look like that. Over in opacity, you can change it to 50% or 80%. That's entirely up to you. Let's click on save and next, and you'll finish. Head down here and copy this URL. This is the URL that you can share with your students and customers. Let's open up a new tab and have a look. So you can see here, that's the cover image on top of the portal, and here are your courses. And if they click on this, it will open up the sales page and they can then purchase your course. Personally, I find the cover image is a bit too big and I would prefer it to be more above the fold. Now, to change the feature image that you see here, along with the course name and course description, let's head back into Groovemember, click on Save and Exit, click on Content, Memberships. Let's say we're updating the Master Your Resume course. Click on this drop-down arrow and click Edit. In step 1, basic information, this is where you can change the course name and course description, as you can see here. So that's course name and course description. Just go ahead and change it here. The sales page URL is where people will be redirected when they click on the Learn More button. So if you go back here, you can change the sales page URL here. Let's click on Save and Next. Step 2, design, is where you can change the featured image, and you do that by clicking on instructor, and under featured image, click choose image. Now they haven't provided a recommended image size here, but this image you see here is roughly 520 pixels in width and 283 pixels height. Click on the image and click select. And now you want to click on save and next all the way through. Lastly, if you need to retrieve your portal link, just head back to Content, Portals, under Actions, click on the drop-down arrow, and then click on Login Link. Now, if you haven't seen my Groovemember tutorial where I show you step-by-step on how to create an online course on Groovemember, then you can check it out here or down here. Alright guys, hit that like button, show me some love, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, see ya!